Hey, good morning everybody. Today is April 28th, 2021, and we are going to be taking a look at gold, silver, the S&P 500, and Bitcoin. All right, let's take a look at gold. So gold actually closed back inside of the channel, and we can see here that we did get a 2, and it has been trading below this 1 candle. This is the activation of a short trade right here. This 2 candle, however, is turning into a hammer candle. Now, if we go to the lower level time frames, we can see that we do have some huge support coming up right here on this 5 candle on the 4-hour. So we'll see if this is a one-off, but that is a very, very strong bullish candle. Going back to the daily, it depends on where the daily closes. If we close this 2 anywhere below the midpoint of the wick of this 2 candle, then we are going to have potentially more downside. And I think we'll have maybe 1 or 2 more days of downside, and then followed by a 9 count to retest this 1809 area. But I'm still looking at this 1756 area target. Going over to silver. Silver is correcting. Silver is actually looking what I would expect gold to look like. It did have a blow off top. Looks like it got rejected by this yellow line here at $26.30. However, good news is that it looks like this 2 candle is bouncing us off the 50 period moving average as well as trendline support. Now, it doesn't look like it exactly hit trendline support, but it's close enough. That's a really good area of cluster support. So we'll see if this 2 candle reverses us from here and we get like a hammer close. If we do, I think we're going back up. Otherwise, I think we're just gonna maybe consolidate for another day before gold dictates what silver's gonna do. All right, looking over at the weekly on the S&P 500, we are starting to do something I really don't like to see, which is I think we're trading at all-time highs at this very moment. 41.97, 41.94. Yeah, we're trading at all-time highs. S&P's at a brand new all-time high on the weekly. We're gonna see where this goes if we just keep going up. Like I said, I'm just bullish on the S&P 500 until we start breaking down on this trend line. Bitcoin. So we did get our green 1 on the weekly. It just has been rejected, and we've retraced a little bit, but that did hit, so we did technically get a green 1 for an instant on this weekly 1, on this weekly 3 candle. This weekly 3 candle, we have 4 days left, so this thing can do a lot. Going over to the daily chart, you can definitely see that we're just having a consolidation day, which is good. The funding rate is negative right now. However, I will still need to read up more on this. I haven't gotten a chance to, so I won't comment too much more on that topic. The 4-hour chart is consolidating. It's looking good, and I think we're probably getting ready to easy enough. So let's go down to the 4-hour on the other chart. 4 hours, pretty sweet and simple. The minute we break this yellow line right here on a closing basis, or going up probably towards this red line, we may get stopped out by this 128 period moving average, but that's not extremely likely. Going over to the 1 hour, we are actually making what I thought we would, which is a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. So I would be paying close attention to this 55,699 area, as well as this 53,775 area. The breakout of either of those areas, so the breakout to the upside or the breakdown to the downside, is going to dictate where the price is going to go. If we break down from here, I'm expecting a retest of this 52,720 area. If we break out from here, I'm expecting a an $8,000 move to the upside. Should put us at $63,000. So I'm expecting somewhere around here to be somewhere in this area to be our target. I'll put a little arrow there. So if we break out from here, I'm expecting our target to be somewhere in this area. This isn't time adjusted, but price target is in that area if we break down. The RSI it's not looking the best, but if we break above this 58 area on the RSI, then I think we're golden. And the MACD just crossed over the 0 line on the 1 hour, so that's a little bit bearish. So these two indicators are bearish. The volume is also not looking super great. It's been trending down as we've been going up. 4 hours, same thing, trending down. However, the 4 hour is telling us that we're still in the bullish zone on the RSI, and the MACD is crossing over. And then the daily, the MACD still hasn't reset yet. It's still been falling, so we'll see if we can get back above the 0 point and cross back over. And the RSI looks okay. It did bottom and go into the oversold position just a little bit. The RSI on the weekly has reset, and we are bouncing from here. The MACD is flat and looks like it may cross over. However, it doesn't have to. So we may get one more swing to the upside before the MACD truly crosses over and resets. All right, that's about everything, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.